Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're thinking about upgrading your yard toolkit with something powerful, reliable, and easy to use, this video's for you. Today, we're covering the top 5 best battery-powered lawn edgers, chosen for their power, safety features, portability, and overall value. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. It's time to clean up those grass lines. Let's get started. We're starting with the BLACK+DECKER LST300. This is a 2-in-1 tool that doesn't try to reinvent the wheel. It's a string trimmer and edger that runs on a 20-volt max system. It packs a power drive transmission, which basically means it pushes more torque from the motor to the string, so it won't bog down the second you hit a thick patch of weeds. The 12-inch cutting swath is standard for this class, but the real win is the automatic feed spool. You aren't constantly bumping the head on the ground like a caveman just to get more line. It handles it for you. It's lightweight at just under 6 pounds, making it a solid pick if you're tired of lugging around heavy gas gear. The adjustable handle and hike positions mean you won't be hunched over like a question mark while you work. It's quiet, easy to start, and perfect for maintenance in smaller yards. We found it's a very safe, budget-friendly pick for anyone who wants a clean look without drama. Next up is the WORX WG163. This one's a favorite because it actually thinks about the user. It's a 12-inch trimmer and edger that features a 90-degree pivoting head. That's huge if you have sloped terrain or weird corners where a standard straight shaft just won't reach. It comes with a command feed system, so instead of hoping the auto feed works, you just press a button on the handle and get instant line. It's simple, effective, and keeps you moving. It also includes rubberized wheels that guide the edger, helping you pull off those crisp, straight lines that make your neighbors jealous. Weight-wise, it's sitting at about 5.5 pounds, so it's easy to maneuver. The spacer guard is adjustable, which is great because it stops you from accidentally butchering your flowers. It runs on the PowerShare battery platform, meaning you can swap these batteries into any other WORX tool. We think this is a great mid-range choice. It's lightweight, versatile, and the included batteries mean you're ready to go right now.
If you want something that actually feels like a professional tool, the Ego Power Plus ME0820 is the one. This isn't just a trimmer with a twist head, it's a dedicated 8-inch edger attachment paired with a heavy-duty power head. It runs on a 56-volt system that delivers insane torque. It packs a high-efficiency brushless motor that stays cool and lasts forever. The shaft is made of carbon fiber, so it's incredibly strong but still keeps the weight manageable. It's also IPX4 rated, so if a light drizzle starts, you don't have to go running for the garage. This thing is a beast. The 8-inch steel blade and guide wheel give you a 3-inch cutting depth that you can adjust with a knob. It slices through overgrown turf and packed dirt like they aren't even there. It's part of a multi-head system, so you can swap the edger for other attachments whenever you want. This is a premium pick for someone who has a large property or just wants high-end performance without buying a gas engine.
The Greenworks ED60L211 is what you buy when your yard is a nightmare. It runs on a 60V platform, which provides consistent power that rivals small gas engines. It features an 8-inch steel blade designed for deep, precise cuts along sidewalks and garden beds. The brushless motor is quiet but punchy, giving you more torque with less maintenance. One of the best parts is the tool-free depth adjustment. You just click it into place and go. It's built to handle tough conditions, even if you're dealing with hard-packed clay or roots that have been ignored for a season. It's a bit heavier at nearly 20 pounds, but that weight helps keep the blade stable while you're digging a trench. The ergonomic handle helps manage the load during longer sessions. It comes with a 4-year warranty, which is impressive for outdoor power equipment. If you're already in the Greenworks 60V ecosystem, this is a no-brainer. It's a high-end, reliable tool that's perfect for homeowners who take their curb appeal seriously every single weekend. Finally, we're looking at the Mayoki EDGBR. This is a specialized choice because it's a tool-only option designed to be compatible with DeWalt 20V batteries. If you already have a garage full of yellow tools, this is a massive win. It packs a brushless motor reaching 3,200 RPM, giving you a clean, fast cut without the heat buildup of older motors. It features a large 9-inch steel blade and 3 different depth settings. It's also got smart battery protection that shuts the tool off if the voltage drops too low, protecting your expensive batteries from getting fried. The design is all about comfort. It has a 180-degree adjustable auxiliary handle and a rear guide wheel to keep your lines straight. It weighs in at around 10 pounds, so it's much lighter than the 60V behemoths, but still has enough weight to feel sturdy. The safety lock button is a nice touch to prevent any accidental starts. It's a budget-friendly way to get a dedicated edger if you already have the power source. It's a smart, specialized pick. And that wraps up the top 5 best battery-powered lawn edgers. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Hype Tech Picks, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech picks. Check the links in the description for more info and to find the best deals on these tools right now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Keep your lawns looking sharp.